Greetings. Back in 2002, I was planning a bike packing trip across the U.S. from Portland, Oregon to Washington, D.C., and I wanted to take my drone, a DJI Mini 3S, which I later upgraded to a Mini 4S. So I needed a handlebar bag where it would be right at my fingertips. I could just grab it and use it. Couldn't find one I liked. They weren't waterproof, they weren't tough enough. I didn't think they'd make it all the way across the country, or just didn't like the way they looked. Then I heard a company called Rootworks had just introduced a handlebar bag, so I got one of theirs to try it as well, and it worked. It was great. Here she is. This is the one that actually did the whole trip, and my Mini 3S fit in here perfectly. Nicely padded, waterproof, could put some of the accessories up here. Loved it. In fact, so much so that I then got one for my road bike. So I've got one for my road bike and one for my tour bike. But I then decided I was going to upgrade my drone to a larger one. So for my next trip, which will be 600 miles across New York State, I got the big bag. It hadn't come out yet when I first needed it, so I ordered it and had to wait several months. But it's out now, and here it is, and I've done a few hundred miles with it, and I absolutely love it. It fits my new drone, the DJI Air 3S, and its controller and an extra battery just beautifully, and plenty of extra storage in here for other stuff, which I put under the drone so it doesn't get smacked. I love the mounts. One for my phone, which would be here now, except I'm using it to record this video, and one for the drone. I asked the folks at DJI whether a quad lock up here would be a good idea for a drone, and they said, well, we don't think it's probably strong enough, we wouldn't recommend it, but I had to try it because it looked like a perfect solution to me. I did, and it has been perfect. Quad lock is a great system for holding things very securely, and this is really built to use quad lock. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. So here she is attached and working beautifully. It's really, really strong, using that adhesive that came with the quad lock universal mount. So completely happy with the way this holds my drone, the fact that it's strong, the fact that it's convenient, the fact that it's waterproof. The big bag, perfect solution for my needs, for my phone and my drone.